Welcome to part 12 of HTML tutorial. In this video, I'm going to talk about head element. So as you know, like we use head element for defining a property about the web page. So here we can add a metadata basically. So metadata is all about data. Like here you can add a data about the website or current web page. And metadata is not display. It will always helpful for the search engine and defining a properties about the web page. So here in the head section you can add a title where you can add a title of the web page, and you can also define a style. Like if you are working on CSS, you can define a style, and also you can link the external CSS style with the help of link href tag, and there is a lot of metadata that you can use. So first metadata property is meta char set. So to display the HTML page correctly, so there is a lot of browser must know the character set that used in the page. So we use character set UTF-8 is a metadata, and next you can use meta name keywords property for defining a keywords for the search engine. Like you here in the content section you can pass the keyword, so it will help you to feature on your web page, feature on the search results. And second we have a description property where you can define a description of your web page. So in the content section you can also pass the description about your web page. And then we can use author as a property where you can define author of the page. And also we have a viewport property, so it will help you to make a responsive web page. So we can pass in the content section we can pass a two property like width is equal to device width, means whenever you open this current web page on the mobile devices, so width is will be equal to the device width, and initial skills mean the zoom, like the by default zoom is 100%. So now I'll show you how we can implement the heading tags. So we have an index.html file, and then we can create a idoc type HTML, and then we have HTML as a tag, and then we have a head section where we can add a metadata, and we can add body sections here. We can add a first metadata is a title, so we'll add a title. So it will be the web page title, and then you can add a style. Like if you're working on CSS, you can add here you can write a style. You can also link the external CSS file with the help of link as a tag, where you can pass a attribute rel and href. So here you can add a file. And last, you can use meta property. So these all are the meta tags that you can use for defining the properties about metadata about the web page. So we have a character set, keywords, where we can define a keywords. You can write a description about the current web page. You can define author. You can define a viewport. So this is all about HTML, how we can implement, create a HTML web page with the help of. So this is all about the HTML, how we can create a HTML web page with the help of like paragraph element, heading element, and we can add an image, video. There are a lot of things that we can do with the help of HTML, and also we can define a property or define a metadata about the web page in the head section. So thank you for watching.